Why is the topic skills more and more important for the future manufacturing?
The reason is that with the technologies of the fourth industrial revolution, the advancement of this technology is very important, very fast. So people need to be upskilled in order to be able to exploit the full potential of these technologies. Companies need to understand that it's not enough to buy a new machine. Companies need to understand that it's important to provide the proper knowledge and competences to people to be able to use the new machine.
We talk about skills mismatch and skills gap, but it's not only a question of quantity, no?
Absolutely not. Job openings are increasing much more than the hiring. So there is a difference between which is not covered. That's a matter of quantity. But even the people which is hired has not the competences which are required by the current technology. So we need to train the people in order to upskill them. The two dimensions need to be treated together. And also what is very important that we need to provide families and teachers the message that manufacturing is attractive, manufacturing is an interesting sector, manufacturing is the powerhouse of the economy of the future. So working in the manufacturing sector is today very important.
2019 report is addressed to people, to governments and to companies. There are the three stakeholders for the topic skills.
The first three recommendations of the report of this year are addressing exactly these three stakeholders. Why people? Because we think that education, training is not a right anymore, but is a responsibility of the workers. Workers need to look for, in a proactive way, for training and education in order to guarantee the proper level of competitiveness for the company they are working. Companies need to increase the investment in order to increase the competitiveness and their productivity, and both of them, people and companies, need to be helped by policymakers and government with incentives in order to also transfer the message that education and training in Industry 4.0 in manufacturing is very important today.